How to put Google reviews on Wix. So if you want to put your Google reviews on your Wix website, there's no such available in the Wix App Store. So from where we can just add, you have to just go to Google, search for Elf site. So this is Elf site. If you don't know, let me show you. Let's just go to Google and look for Elf site. So this website provide you the widget. So just go and click on here. Make sure you log in with your account. And here now you have to go to the template section and make search for Google reviews. So here in the search bar, I will just write here Google reviews, and we will just find a lot of options. You can just go and customize and take your time and look for the best one. So for example, I like this one, so I will just go and click on this and it will just open up in this way. Now here I can just customize each and everything. For example, I can just go and change the layout. For example, I like the carousel view, right? And this is really good, and you can just also use this one. So okay, to save this space, I will use this format. And once you're okay with it, you can always you can just go and change the header and each and everything. For example, if you want to use the header of the Google reviews, of course you can do that. You can change the style and each and everything. Once you're done with it, just go and click on create widget. So here it has been created. Now just go and click on publish. So you have to buy the subscription. So once you buy this out, for example, I will just try here, I will just go and click on it, and with the one of the plan here, now you will already get an option of Wix here. So this is option of Wix. By the way, it support almost every e-commerce or e-commerce such as Shopify, Squarespace website. So I will just go and select on Wix here, and it will show me that how I can just add this Elf site to my Wix website. And by the way, guys, this is much more important, this code, right? Because I'm going to show you how you can just put it into your Wix website. So this is a code. It will give you a code. Make sure you copy this code. Now go to your Wix website editor. Just go and click on add elements here. In the search bar, you have to look for HTML, right? Search for the HTML. Now here you will get this option of embedded. Now just go and click on it, right? Once you click on it, so sometimes if doesn't this work out, then just go to the embedded code, popular embeddeds, and just go and click on embedded HTML. Now you will see a one box has been appeared. Now enter the code which we have copied. Make sure that you select the code here and just go and click on update. And once you click on update here, automatically it will just take a few seconds of your time and it will just come up here. Right now you can just customize this up and you can just put it wherever you want, and it's completely up to you. So this is up to you that how you want to customize from your Elf site, and if it's low code, then you can just skip it in your Wix website. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.